dealing with septic tank issues? Don't stress. DND Plumbing has you covered. Professional, reliable, and affordable. Your trusted plumbing experts. We start with a thorough inspection to plan the perfect installation. Our team carefully prepares the area for your new septic system. Precision installation ensures long-lasting performance. We ensure everything is properly connected and leak-free, leaving your property clean and safe, just like we found it. Leaky pipes? No problem. Clogged drains? We fix that too. 24/7 emergency service, because plumbing issues don't wait. Need plumbing help? Call DND Plumbing now.